Why does your scanner show the P0134 engine code? What does it mean? P0134 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor circuit. No activity detected. Bank 1 sensor 1. It indicates a problem with the oxygen sensor circuit in your vehicle, specifically indicating no activity detected on bank 1 sensor 1. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty oxygen sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, exhaust leaks, poor fuel delivery, ECM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mazda, Nissan, Honda, Hyundai, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.